Hello everyone, today I discuss the last question, exercise 8.4, 5 number 10 question. The question is prove 1 plus 10 square a divided by 1 plus cos square a is equal to 1 minus 10a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to 10 square a. So see, the previous question have only two sides, yes, left hand side and right hand side, but it has the three sides. So I not take the left hand or right hand side, yes. So see, this one is little different from the other question. So see the we can prove this equal to 10 square a and this equal to 10 square. If we can find out this equal to 10 square a and this one also equal to 10 square a, then our proof is completed. Okay, so this is the implied symbol, yes. So see, this is our question. From this one I write the next step. How can I write the next step? See, 1 plus 10 square a is equal to 6 square a. This one is a formula. So similarly 1 plus cos square a is equal to what? According our formula, this one is cos x square a. So after then see, this equal to what I writing? 1 minus, in place of 10a I writing sin a by cos a. Again in place of cot a, 1 minus, in place of cot a I writing cos a by sin a, because cos a by sin a is equal to cot a and sin a by cos a equal to 10a. This one is whole square, so this is whole square is equal to 10 square a. This one is single term, so you cannot change this term. Okay, so after then you see, this one is 6 square a, yes. So in this place I write 1 by cos square a, because why? 1 by cos a equal to sec a, so this one is square, so this one is writing square. So similarly cos x square a, this one is writing 1 by sin square a, because 1 by sin a equal to cosec a, this is square, so this one also square. So after this step you can see, from this one 1 minus sin a by cos a, there I take the LCM, so this is their denominator is cos a, this one is cos a writing, and 1 into cos a minus this is sin a, divided by, there also I can take the LCM, their denominator is sin a, so LCM is sin a, 1 into sin a minus cos a whole square is equal to 10 square a. So after that you can see this step, 1 by cos square a, this is divide is into sin, when divide is converted to into, then this one I take the reciprocal, so sin square a divided by 1. So similarly this one you can see cos a minus sin a whole square divided by cos square a. This is divide, so this one also divide, sin minus cos a whole square divided by this one is sin square a. Understand? Is equal to 10 square a. So next step we can see 1 into sin square a divided by cos square a into 1 is cos square a. After that there you can see cos a minus sin a whole square, cos a minus sin a whole square divided by this one is cos square a. Again this divide is converted to into, then we can take their reciprocal, so this one is sin square a divided by sin a minus cos a whole square is equal to 10 square a. After that you can see sin by cos is equal to 10. This one is a formula, sin by cos equal to 10, so this is square, so this one is square coming. So after then see, you can take their minus, okay, minus are taking common, then positive is converted to negative and negative is converted to positive. So this one is there, it has no symbol, that means this one is a positive term, so this one is converted to negative because I can take common minus. So this one is minus cos a, and minus is converted to plus, so this is plus sin a whole square divided by, this one is writing first, sin a minus cos a writing first, into sin square a divided by cos square a is coming from in here, this one is writing in this place, cos square a minus is equal to 10 square a. So this is 10 square a, yes, and from this term I can get the 10 square a. So again see there, this is minus square means what? Minus minus plus, so this one is converted to positive. So again this again in here I write the positive term first, so this is sin a is positive, so I write first, so sin a, but it in front of there I am not writing the plus symbol, because we can know when it has no symbol, that means what? This is a positive term. Again this one is minus cos a whole square divided by sin a minus cos a whole square into sin a by cos a square. So sin square a, sin a by cos a means what? 10a. So 10a, this is square, so this is 10 square a is equal to 10 square a. Now you can see this and this term is same, so these two are cancel each other. Then what we can left 10 square a. So this one is 10 square a is equal to 10 square a is equal to 10 square a. So our proof is completed. Thank you.